Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Algorand, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred internet browser. Navigate to the official Algorand website. Look for the Get Started or Register option on the home page. Click on that option to proceed. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, enter your email address. Choose a secure password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again. Make sure your password meets the specified requirements. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. Review and accept the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Once all fields are filled correctly, click on the Sign Up button. You may receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and locate the email from Algorand. Click on the confirmation link within that email. This action will direct you back to the Algorand website. You may now need to log in using your newly created credentials. Return to the home page and click on the Login option. Enter your email and password, then click Login. After logging in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. You can now proceed to set up additional security options like two-factor authentication. Follow the prompted steps to enhance your account's security. Congratulations! You are now registered with Algorand. Feel free to explore the platform and its various functionalities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.